Consistency! On today's video, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys one of the biggest obstacle, one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something positive on the long run, like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things. The problem is called, oh yeah, I'll start be consistent starting by tomorrow. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent, and I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I also rehearse consistently on my live stream, and I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 8th, 2025, and this is going to be day 335 of consistently helping people build. So yeah, basically the problem of, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing it, but yeah, I'm going to be doing it tomorrow is a problem that I currently also face, and I've been, facing for years. And I also believe you guys also have the same problem, the problem of procrastination. Basically, whenever I say to myself, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing it starting by tomorrow, to some extent, I only throwing my responsibility to do something into my tomorrow version of myself. And then, as you can guess, the same cycle happens the next day. I came up with some new reasons, some new excuses why I cannot do the thing today. Okay. And then I also say to myself, oh yeah, I'm just going to be doing it tomorrow. Okay. The same cycle happens and again and again and again. And basically, the scary part is I don't know how long has this been going on. It might have actually gone for, like months or years, because I do not really have any clear tracking system, right? Any clear tracking evidence of how long this actually has been going on. Okay. And every single time I just say to myself, you know, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. It feels like a new reasonable reason, reasonable excuses every single time I say it. But the thing here, it might actually have happened, right? I've been stuck for the same trap over and over again for, I don't know, maybe months or even years. So it feels like I'm stuck in a labyrinth with no exit for I don't know how long. Okay, so how do we actually exit this labyrinth? So this is a really practical strategy that you can implement. I call it the wall of tomorrow. Okay, so basically grab on a pen and a paper, and then basically every single time you want to say, I'm just going to be doing it tomorrow, well, that's fine. But the thing here is that you are going to be writing the excuses. Okay, why should you do should you be doing it tomorrow instead of today? On the paper, you need to be writing a 100 words essay first on the paper. Okay, and then basically we are just gonna be, sticking the paper into our walls. Okay, so basically that's why it's called the wall of tomorrow. And here's the thing: if you think like, well, what 100 words essay? If you just think of it, like 100 essays are not really that many. So actually, and here's the thing: why this is effective in helping us breaking the cycle. We break the cycle precisely by giving ourselves some evidence that we've been procrastinating for so long. We've been falling for the same trap for so long. We are giving ourselves some really clear evidence. Okay, we can just see our previous excuses that we've written. Okay, maybe like for like yesterday we say the same thing. What are our excuses? 2 days ago we also say the same thing. We are going to do it tomorrow. We can just read it. Okay, why we just fell for the same trap over and over and over again for maybe months even. And you might feel frustrated when you realize this, when you realize that you've been falling for the same trap for so many times. You can just read it, a really clear evidence. So once you've got into the point that, I've had enough, I'm actually going to be doing it. Okay? Basically, just write down on the paper, right, that I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. But this time, okay, instead of excuses, just write down with all capital letters. Just write down, I'm going to be doing it tomorrow, but set on a clear goal. What is the thing that you are going to be doing? Don't only say, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying. Instead, set on a clear goal. For example, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying mathematics for at least 10 minutes, starting by tomorrow. And also set on a clear time when are you going to be doing it, maybe 5 a.m. Okay, and then also set on an alarm to remind yourself to do it. And you're not only going to be doing this for the next day, but also write down on the paper with all capital letters that you are going to be doing it for the next 7 days, or maybe 14 days, or maybe 30 days. So why this is effective? Precisely because now we have a clear evidence that says that we are obligated to do something, okay, with a really clear specific goal, specific time of the day, specific deadline, when are we going to be doing it, and basically brings us some clarity and also the obligation. Good luck. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also join our Discord. You can also support my long form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. Will really be meaningful for me. And also, yeah, for today's day authenticity post, today's June 8th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a mangoes post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7. Bye bye.